Okay, we'll start the session. So today's topic is test of divisibility. We know each and every number which has a rules to check the test of that is divisibility check, right? What is the rule of two? What is the rule of two? Post your answers in the chat box. If the number may be 48, is it divisible by 2 or not? How can we check this? We know it is very basic. Second standard students can answer for this question. For the last unit digit, yes, unit digit should be 0, 2, 4, 6, 8. Even number and also 0. Yes. And come for the rule of 3. Rule of 3. What is the rule of 3? The rule of 3 is, you have any idea about the rule of 3? Very good, Sharaf. For example, I'm going to write, yes, I'm going to write 10 digit number or 8 digit number. Some 7, 2, 9, 10, 8, 4, 5. Enough. Okay. Can you tell me, is this number is divisible by 3 or not? Within 1 second, we can check this. The rule is just add all the numbers. Just add all the numbers. What is the sum? Post your answers in the chat box. What is the sum of all the numbers? Please, Pradeep, video off பண்ணுங்க Pradeep. What is the sum? Post your answers in the chat box. 36. Okay. Is it 36 divisible by 3? Is it 36 divisible by 3? Yes or no? More than 100 students are here, but I'm getting only few response from your side. Can you post your answers in the chat box? If yes, type yes, single letter yes in the chat box. Is it 36 divisible by 3? Yes. So the whole number 729184450 will be divisible by 3. Got it? Is it clear? The rule of 2 and 3. Okay. And check 5, 3, 1, 2. Is it divisible by 3? What is the sum? What is the sum? Sum of the numbers. 15. Yes. So is it 15 divisible by 3? Yes. So the number 53,142 also will be divisible by 3. Got it? Shall we go to the rule 4? Rule for 4. Rule for 4. Okay. I think you are very clear with the rule of 2 and 3. Okay. And come for the rule of 4. You don't want to mug up this. Just keep in mind, if 2 means you have to check the unit digit. That means if the unit digits are even or 0, it will be divisible by 2. Okay. And when come for 4, that means 2 square. 2 square is 4. Yes or no? So you have to check last 2 digit. Can you guess for 2 cube? That is 8. What is the rule of 8? Can you guess for 8? Post your answers in the chat box. Last three digit. Very good. Last three digit. Okay. So now tell me what is the rule of 4? What is the rule of 4? 2 is the first digit, that is a unit digit. 2 square means last two digit. So check in, tell me 45720. You have to check only the last two digit. If the last two digit is divisible by 4, then we can say that the 5-digit number is divisible by 4. Is it 20 divisible by 4? Yes or no? Yes. So we can say that 45720 also divisible by 4. Clear? Is it clear? The rule of 2, 3, and 4. And we'll do one more question. 7514341 2. Is it divisible by 4? I have given an 8-digit number. Yes, it is end with 12. We know that the 12 will be divisible by 4. Got it? The last two digit is divisible by 4. Therefore, the 8-digit number also divisible by 4. Any doubts up to this? No, type N in the chat box. All the 103 students. If no doubts, type N in the chat box. Thank you for your response. I'm moving for rule 5. Rule 5 we know it is very simple, right? Rule 5 is very simple. If the number is ended with 0 or 5, we can say that the number is divisible by 5. We are strictly moving for rule 6. For the rule 6, the number should satisfy the condition of 2 and 3. 2 and 3. For example, 18. The number 18 will be divisible by 2 and also will be divisible by 3. So it will be divisible by 6. Got it? I'll write one more number. Okay, check in. Tell me, is it divisible by 4? Sorry, 2. Is it divisible by 2? Yes or no? Send with 6. Yes. And what about 3? What is the sum? What is the sum of the numbers? Sum of all the digit? 21. Is it 21 divisible by 3? So the number, 6-digit number is also divisible by 3. Yes. So the number will be divisible by 6. Any doubts up to this? And rule of 7. The rule of 7, for example, if I have a 3-digit number, 875. So you have to double the unit digit and subtract with the other number. Okay. So when you double it, 87 minus double it. That means multiply it by 2, 10. So when we subtract, it's 77. If the 77 is divisible by 7, therefore we can say that 875 also divisible by 7. It's better we can divide and check for 7, 13, 19 and all. Will be same kind of rule. And you know already the rule of 8. What is the rule of 8? Rule of 8. 2 unit digit and yes, very good. 2 square is last 2 digit. 2 cube is last 3 digit. Got it? 2 cube is nothing but 8. That means you have to check the last 3 digit. Okay. 7542000. Is it divisible by 8? Is it divisible by 8? Yes, because the last 3 digit is divisible by 8. And one more number. 894742120. So it's a 8 digit number. Is it divisible by 8? Check only the last 3 digit. Check only the last 3 digit. If the 120 is divisible by 8, so we can say that that 8 digit number will be divisible by 8. So are you clear with from 2 to 8? Shall we move to the ninth rule? Rule of 9. Okay, next. Rule of 9. You know the rule of 9. Can you guess what is the rule of 9? 3 sum and 3 square will be what? 9. 3 square is 9. Yes, the same rule. Okay, you have to find the sum. If the sum is divisible by 9, not by 3. Okay, if the sum is divisible by 9, we can say that the number will be divisible by 9. Okay, we'll check. Okay, check and tell me, is this number divisible by 9? The 7-digit number. What is the sum of this number? Sum of all the digits? Only 18. 18 the sum. What is the sum of all the digit? 36. Okay. Is it 36 divisible by 9? When you add, you'll get 36. Yes. So we can say that this 7-digit number will be divisible by 9. One more example. Yes. What is the sum? Again 36. So we know that 36 divisible by 9. So this 8-digit number also will be divisible by 9. Okay, rule 10 is very simple. It should be end with 0. And then come to the rule of 11. So for the rule of 11, I'll give some number 5049. So the rule is odd, odd place, even place, odd place, even place. What is the sum of the digits which is in the odd place? Just add the digits in the odd place. What is the sum? 9. Okay. And subtract. And even place, sum of the digits in the even place, that is also 9. So when you find the difference between these sum of the digits in the odd place and the sum of the digits in the even place, it should be 0 or 11 or multiple of 11 also. The difference is 0 or 11 or the multiple of 11. Got it? I'll give one more example. The number 688534. Can you check what is the sum of odd places? The numbers in the odd places. Odd. Did you audio? Okay. 0. Odd, even, odd, even. What is the sum? 17. Yes, 17 minus 17. 17 is the sum of the numbers in the odd places, and 17 is the sum of the numbers in the odd places, with even places, that is 0. So we can say that the number will be divisible by 11. One more example. One zero eight four nine three. Check 108493. What is the sum of the numbers in the odd places? Post your answers in the chat box. Sum of the numbers in the odd places. Odd place, 18. Okay. Odd place on the 7. 7. Even place. Even place is 18. Okay. Minus 11. That is not a problem. You'll get some multiple of 11, right? So we can say that this 108493 will be divisible by 11. Okay. We'll go to the number 12. Okay, For the number 12, the number should be divisible by 3 and 4, like number 6. What is the rule of number 6? 2 and 3. So for 12, it should be divisible by 3 and 4. 13, same like 7. So it's better we can divide and check. And for 14, it should be divisible by 2 and 7. And for 15, it should be divisible by 3 and 5. And for 16, you can guess 2 power 4. So last 4 digit. Okay. And 17 also same like 7. So it's better we can divide and check. And 18, for 18, same like 3 and 9, but it should be even number. For example, 36. For example, 36, you have to find the same sum, but that should be an even number. Got it? And okay, and shall we do some more problems based on this? இதுக்கப்புறம் நீங்களே உங்களால ஃபாலோ பண்ணிக்க முடியும். And we'll do only 2 problem and we'll continue on the 5th hour. Can you try the first question? If the product 4864 into 9A2 is divisible by 12, then find the minimum value of A. Find the minimum value of A. So what is giving? 4864 into 9A2. So if you convert this into divisible by 12, so the product also will be divisible by 12. Yes or no? So I have to convert this 9A2 by divisible by 12. And what is the rule of 12? It should be divisible by 3 and 4. So if I replace the A by 0, 902, is it divisible by 3? Is it divisible by 3? Add it. 11. 11 is not divisible. So we cannot put 0 here, right? And go for the next option. When A is equal to 0, it is not possible. When A equal to 1, 912. Now check for 3 and 4. Is it divisible by 3? Yes, it is divisible by 3 when I replace it by 1. Is it divisible by 4? Is it divisible by 4? That means last 2 digit. Yes, now post your answers in the chat box. You have to find the minimum value. So 0 is not possible. Post your answers. The question oda answer enna post பண்ணுங்க chat box la. Yes, right. So the only possibility is A is equal to 1. Next question. Can you try the next question? What least value must be assigned to star so that the number 73746 star 0 will be divisible by 8? That is also one of the placement question. Bracketல கொடுத்திருக்கிறது வந்து அந்த கம்பெனியோட நேம். Can you find it? If you replace that star by 0, what is the rule of 8? What is the rule of 8? You can unmute. Rule of 8 is what?
Last 3 digit is divisible by 3.
Yes, last three digit should be divisible by 8.
8, yes, ma'am.
Yes, 8. So if I replace 0, it will be 100. Is it 100 divisible by 8? No. And if I replace the star by 1, last three digit is 110. Is it divisible by 8? Yes or no? 110. Is it divisible by no? And check with the next minimum value. 2. Yes. Therefore, last three digit will be 73746,120. Is it divisible by 8? Yes. Mute your audio. Therefore, the answer is 2. Any doubts after this?
Recording stopped.
We'll share the attendance link. Don't post your names. Fill this Google form. If you're not filling it, you may mark as absent for this heart. Fill the Google form. Select today's date. Make it fast, students. After receiving your register number, kindly inform me. I'll make a separate WhatsApp group for CDC and also classroom for your A and B. And you can leave your completed. Thank you.
ஹலோ மேம்.
Yes.
மேம் லாஸ்ட் கொஸ்டின் ஒரு டவுட் இருக்கு மேம்.
Last question.
120 ஆன்சர் வரும், 160 வருங்களா மேம்?
மினிமம் வேல்யூ தானே கேட்டிருக்காங்க.
ஓகே மேம்.
அதனால நம்ம அதுதான் செலக்ட் பண்ணோம். சரியா?
ஓகே மேம். இப்போ தான் கொஸ்டின்.
ஓகேப்பா.
சரி, ஓகே மேம். தேங்க்யூ மேம்.
Akash, Anirudh, Arvind, Raj. If you are finished, you can leave. Finish the Google form and then leave. Okay.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you. Gogulnath, Bala, Jay Surya, Kavya Shri, Kritika. Santosh, Saravanan, Tamil Nation, Yuvanesh.